Hey, what's up everybody? I just got done taking out the catalytic converter on bank 1 on a 2005 Maxima with the 3.5 liter V6. Just barely got these studs out, and I'm going to talk about how I got them out in a minute, but as you can see, I had to take the intake manifold all the way off to get to the bolts, these bolts on this sucker. Okay, as you can see, I took the intake manifold off so I can get to the bolts back here. Barely somehow. You have to squeeze your hands back in there and remove the 3 bolts from the heat shield, and then you're able to basically blindly get to those 2 studded bolts from the top. Getting the bolts off from the bottom was easy. This took a couple hours troubleshooting and trying to figure out the best strategy. This was the only way I could figure out to get it out, and that was removing the throttle body with the intake manifold off. So hope this helps.